Persiapan untuk pertandingan besok, saya pribadi dan teman-teman sudah siap untuk pertandingan besok. Kita mulai fokus dari sejak menit pertama hingga akhir. Dan saya berharap doa dan dukungan dari supporter untuk besok, semoga kita mendapat hasil yang maksimal. Terima kasih.
Selamat malam. First, we must say happy birthday to PSM Makassar, Selamat Ulang Tahun. It's 108 years of history, and the supporters of a club that have 108 years of history must have proud, because it's not, there are no many clubs with more than 100 years of history. So, happy birthday, Selamat Tahun, Selamat Ulang Tahun. And also, I want to invite the supporters from PSM Makassar to come tomorrow for the stadium, because it's 108 years that PSM Makassar make, and we go to make a game against a strong team. So I think it's unbelievable if the supporters can come and support like they make the last match at home. About the game, first I want to make a question. Who nominate the referees for the matches? Why I make this question? Because the responsibility of the person that nominate the referee, it's very big, and I explain why. This was it that's going to be here tomorrow. Was the same how was it make Tirabago's work this round, this on the first round on the game, PSM Makassar perceive, and also PSS Sleman, PSM Makassar. Many mistakes, and now first game of second round, this was it. Imagine that was it tomorrow make again many mistakes against PSM Makassar. Who is the responsibility? I hope that tomorrow gonna be a great game, and there was it not make many mistakes like he make in the two matches before that he make with the PSM Makassar team. Because I give just one example of one big mistake. The goal of PSS Sleman cannot be goal. 2 falls consecutive, and after we are winning 1-0. And after we draw 1-1. So please, who nominate the was it for the games, check first if they have bad history with the clubs. Because after, if the same referee make again big mistakes against the same team, after it's a big mistake. Who nominate this was it, this referee? Precision, strong team, good local players and foreign players. Last season we draw here, we are winning, and after we concede a goal, and we lose away. And on this season, if you remember, we are winning there away, Koson Satu, but on 80 minutes, one player of them kicked the nuts of Yanche. The referee don't stop the match, and they scored a goal and was 1-1. This is the truth of the football. So I hope tomorrow was it not make mistakes. If we draw, lose or win, we want fair play on the match, and we expect that our supporters come to celebrate with the team 108 years of history of PSM Makassar, and we hope that we can make very good performance, because just with very good performance we can catch the 3 points tomorrow.
Persiapan untuk pertandingan besok, saya pribadi dan teman-teman sudah siap untuk pertandingan besok. Kita mulai fokus dari sejak menit pertama hingga akhir. Dan saya berharap doa dan dukungan dari supporter untuk besok, semoga kita mendapat hasil yang maksimal. Terima kasih.
Yeah, it's true. Yes, it's true. The history say that the last 7 matches, PSM Makassar never win. And I already explained why not win the last match. And I already try to speak that tomorrow if we lose or if we draw or if we win, I don't, that at least the same was it that I already make again mistakes. Not just against us, but also against opponent team. I think football is to enjoy. We cannot change the history. We need to be a strong team to can change the present. The present is now and tomorrow. Let's see what we can do. It's not going to be easy. As you know, we have some injured players and players that get cartu kuning that cannot play. But going to play 11. It's going to be an opportunity to other players can show what they are working with the team.
The last quote of foreign player for the second round.
Let's see. Terima kasih.